Okay, markets are actually they've rallied back about 10 bips in the last few minutes, but it seems to be kind of a risk-off day. Most, if not all, of that due to maybe a little bit of follow-through from yesterday, but mostly because of perceived tensions in the Middle East. The White House has backed off their kind of war drums a little bit. I think the last quote I heard from the president was, "I'm in no hurry to attack Iran," and he called for talks. So we'll see there. That might have been, but I would say that in the absence of anything else, I wouldn't be surprised if we bled off a bit. We are opening up in about 45 minutes, 45 seconds, excuse me, and. So there won't be much to do with any of our holdings, overnight holdings or swing terms. But we have time on most of those, and the ones that we don't have are cooked anyhow.